Imagine your body as a busy city. Food is the fuel, the building materials, and the tiny messengers that keep every streetlight and subway running on time. So what is food? At its core, it's anything you eat or drink that delivers nutrients, stuff your cells can actually use. There are macronutrients. Carbs, protein, fats. Carbs are quick energy. Think rice, bread, fruit. Protein is your repair crew, eggs, beans, fish. Fats are long-term energy and insulation, nuts, olive oil, avocado. Then, micronutrients, vitamin C, iron, calcium, plus fiber to keep things moving, and water, the ultimate MVP. Types of food? Whole foods like veggies, grains, legumes, and meats arrive with their original parts intact. Minimally processed foods, yogurt, frozen veggies, can be super handy. Ultra-processed stuff, sodas, candy, chips, usually bring energy without many nutrients. You've also got plant-based and animal-based options, and every culture blends these into awesome cuisines. Curry, tacos, stir-fry, you name it. Why is food important? Picture every cell needing energy coupons called ATP. Food gives you those coupons. It also supplies amino acids to rebuild muscle, fatty acids to build cell membranes, and vitamins, minerals to run thousands of tiny reactions. Immune defense, hormone balance, bone strength, and brain power. Protein and micronutrients are especially clutch for kids, athletes, and anyone recovering from illness. What happens without it? Short term, you get hungry, tired, cranky, and your brain throws error messages. Skip water and dehydration hits even faster. Headaches, dizziness, drop in performance. Go longer, and your body burns stored glycogen, then body fat, and eventually starts breaking down muscle to keep your brain online. Deficiencies show up: iron anemia, brittle bones, scurvy, immune function tanks. In extreme cases, organs fail. Bottom line, food isn't just calories, it's instructions and construction material. Aim for variety, mostly whole foods and enough water. Your future self will high-five you.